Ding dong. Let's learn some animals. Can you tell me which body part this is? Can you tell me what item of clothing this is? Open sesame. Let's learn some colors.
Alexa, open flashcards.
Welcome to Flashcards. Let's make learning fun. Select a category to start a game.
Animals.
Well, let's learn some animals. What do we call this animal?
A chicken.
Whoops-a-daisy. That's not correct. Try again. Ask for a hint or say show me the answer.
A bird.
Cha-ching. You are correct.
What sound does a bird make? Next.
Can you say what animal this is?
My name is Catherine.
Hello, Catherine. It's nice to meet you. Can you guess the picture?
Cat.
Oh! That's not correct, Catherine. Try again. Ask for a hint or say show me the answer.
Give me a hint.
Catherine, this animal is a man's best friend. Take another guess.
Dog.
Bravo! You are correct, Catherine.
Give me a fact about dogs.
Catherine, a dog does have a sense of time and misses you when you're gone.
Next.
Catherine, can you say what animal this is?
A frog.
Booyah! You are correct, Catherine.
How do you spell frog?
It is spelled F-R-O-G, frog.